Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix pet recognition feature not working on iPhone in iOS 17. You will take many photos of your pet if you have got one. Before iOS 17, it was harder to find your pet's photos individually. Apple introduced the People and Pets album with iOS 17, iPad OS 17, and Mac OS Sonoma, categorizing photos of people and pets individually. However, some of you might not able to see it. So in this video, I will show you how to fix pet recognition not working in People and Pets album on your iPhone. Without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is simply restart your iPhone. Simple way to fix this: restart your iPhone. It can fix minor bugs in photos and iPhone. So you have to open your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Again scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting, then you have to do is check for iOS update. You have to make sure that you are using the latest version of iOS 17. You have to go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. Like I am having an update of 17.1.2. All I have to do is simply tap on update now, or I can simply tap on update tonight. So guys, after trying these two steps and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is set your date and time settings. You have to make sure that your date and time settings are correct. You have to open your date and time. You have to make sure that set automatically is enabled. After this and you're still facing the issue, then I will suggest you to do reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, you have to scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.